Don't do that, baby.
Oh,
go there.
Sock it to me.